I feel very peaceful now.
I am so nervous. Look at these big numbers.
Are you okay, Arthur? The numbers.
They are too big.
Too big? Let me see.
Wow, I can discover new things here. Is it a secret toy? A secret toy? Maybe.
Why is it so long?
Your insurance copay is ready.
I feel stuck. Copay?
Yes, the deductible for the lab test.
Lab test? But Leo only had a fever.
The system shows a full blood test.
A full test? Okay. I will pay. How much is it?
$1,000. $1,000?
Wait, Arthur.
Take a deep breath. We are safe. Safe?
But the bill is huge.
Hello, Sarah. We have a small problem.
A problem? How can I help?
Please speak slowly. I do not understand.
Slowly? Oh, I am sorry. What is this big number?
Huh? Yes, what is that number?
That number? That is for the blood test.
A blood test? Leo only had a fever.
Only a fever? Let me check again.
I am a brave explorer. Look, Leo, a beautiful heart. A beautiful heart. It is very red.
Please give me one moment. I am checking the system now.
We just need to wait.
Yes, just wait. We are a good team.
Oh, this is a mistake. A mistake? What kind of mistake? I typed the wrong patient code.
The wrong code? Really?
Yes, really. This bill is not for Leo.
Not for Leo? I am glad we asked.
I am glad we asked too.
I am really sorry. I will fix it.
Fix it? Thank you very much.
Hello? Is everything okay here?
Okay.
Yes.
And we are okay now.
We had a small mistake.
With the bill.
A mistake with the bill? I see.
It is good
Yes. Wes.
to ask questions slowly.
Yes, asking questions makes us feel safe.
He is a very brave boy. A brave boy? Whew. Yes. Yes, he is.
I will print the new receipt now.
The new receipt. It is short.
Yes, it is short. Here you go.
$50. This is much better.
Much better. We can pay this.
First, I was scared. Now, I am happy.
You were scared,
Yes.
but you are brave.
Listen, I am ready to pay now.
Thank you. I will swipe it.
Swipe it?
Yes.
Yes, please. Please.
Listen to the happy beep. Here is your card and receipt.
Thank you. I feel proud.
Proud? You should be proud.
Have a safe day. See everyone.
A safe day? Thank you, Doctor.
Let's find. Doesn't we need the kids now?
Look, Leo. A new secret. A new secret. A new secret? Where?
Hello, my brave little explorers.
Are we going home now? Are we going home now?
Going home? Yes, we are.
The thermometer. His sweater is safe now.
Why were you nervous, Dad?
I was nervous about the bill.
First, the paper was too long. I felt very stuck.
Too long? So you asked questions.
Yes, asking questions solves the mystery.
If you feel stuck, always ask a simple question.
Ask a simple question? I will remember that.
Take one deep breath. We are going home.
Going home? Follow me, everyone.
Follow you? Okay, brave leader.
This was a good adventure.
A good adventure? Yes, I discovered many things.
The sunlight feels very beautiful.
Very beautiful. The air is so fresh here.
Look! A white bird in the sky! A white bird? It is flying home too.
We did not run away. We solved it.
Solved it? Yes, we used clear words together.
Never pay money if you feel confused, kids.
Feel confused? So we must ask to understand.
Ask to understand. That is our family secret.
A family secret? Like a hidden treasure.
A hidden treasure? Yes, exactly like a treasure.
Let's walk home slowly and enjoy the day.
The street is so peaceful today.
Peaceful today? Yes, I feel very relaxed.
I remember the big, long paper.
The big, long paper? It was a secret mistake.
First, I was very nervous. I felt totally stuck. You felt stuck?
Yes, because the numbers were huge.
Then, Mom asked a simple question very slowly.
A simple question, and we discovered the wrong code. Look, an ancient rock on the ground.
An ancient rock? You found a small treasure, Leo.
Brave explorers? Yes. Shadows can move. That is normal.
You have a small leaf on your bag, Mia.
A small leaf? It looks very ancient and beautiful.
Being safe together is a great treasure.
A great treasure?
Yes.
I was lost. Now I'm happy.
We will always ask questions to stay safe.
Stay safe? I want to play in the park.
Yes, let's play in the park. We are very proud.
The green grass is so soft and beautiful. Soft and beautiful? Yes, wait for me, Leo.
This wooden bench is very nice.
Very nice. We are a brave family, Arthur. A brave family? Yes. Never pay money if you feel confused.
Confused? Just stop and ask them to speak slowly.
Speak slowly? Yes, understanding the secret is your right.
Always feel proud to ask simple questions.
Proud to ask questions.